enter in third process. The third process is the silver leaf, and I'm mostly using the original silver leaf rather the artificial silver leaf. Now for this process you need the silver leaf. This is the pure silver leaf. It's a very delicate thing. This one. In the silver leaf, the tweezer, the brush, the big brush for the big area, and for just like these small areas and these very tiny areas, you need the small brush, and you need the gum Arabic. It's a Winsor Newton gum Arabic. It's good quality, so I already put this Winsor Newton in this cup that I can work well. Now we go there. Now as I mark this circle and this big area, first of all I'm going to start from big area and then we'll go to tiny area. This one. Now the process of silver leaves has been completed, and after that we will start the different colors in that area, in the small area, and that will be the next step. And for the next step we have to wait for 1 or 2 days, and this leaf will dry in 3 days. So